Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, global equities are doing well. In fact, they are in the range. They are not expanding the range, but still they are trading with positive bias. Commodities did well in yesterday's trading session. We saw activity in iron ore prices as well as in copper, along with rise in crude prices. Brent crude has crossed the level of 72, and it will have positive impact on equities eventually. Yes, it is not positive for emerging markets, especially for India, but at the same time we need to see that how our rupee performs, and if we see any furthermore strength in our rupee, then it will compensate in the near future. If we go through with our markets in terms of technical levels, then yesterday the market was in the range, in the tight range. It has not broken 15,800, where we have seen huge amount of call writing, but on the downside 15,670 acted as major support for the market, and from there it recovered back. So 15,670 will be important level, and below that we can expect a quick decline in the market. In that case, the levels of 15,600 or 580 is not ruled out. On the higher side, above 15,800 we can expect some short covering, and 15,900 or 950 would be possible. For Bank Nifty, it remained down yesterday. It opened lower and it closed at the lowest point of the day. Yesterday also we discussed that the Bank Nifty was narrowing down its range, and we saw some weakness, especially in stocks like SBI and other PSU banks. So there we are seeing some weakness, but on the other side, IT and Pharma did well along with few FMCG companies. So again, the way the structure and the market is very close to its important crucial barrier of 16,000, I think again traders are switching for defensives, and that is why we saw activity in all IT companies as well as pharmaceuticals. They recovered sharply from their intraday lowest levels and closed at the highest point of the day. For the day, again we can expect some activity in pharmaceuticals as well as in IT companies. From the pharmaceutical space, we like Sun Pharma as well as Aurobindo Pharma. They recovered very well from their lows. Even Dr. Reddy and Lupin Laboratories were also on the higher side, and they were also trading on the higher side in the second half of the trading session. From the IT basket, Infosys as well as Tech Mahindra and HCL Technologies did well. They closed at the highest point of the day. Infosys especially is still very strong to buy and hold for next few days or few weeks. We are expecting stock to move towards 1500, 1550 in the near term. And for Tech Mahindra also, it has broken important crucial resistance at 1050, 1055, and it closed about the same. So there also we can expect 1100 plus sort of levels in next few weeks. But the strategy should be to buy and hold for next few days. It's a medium term call to buy and hold. Finally, for banks, where we saw a sell-off in almost all NBFCs as well as in PSU and private banks, but in that space we like ICICI Bank, which is currently trading at 642, 643. There the stock is having very good support between 640, 635, and based on its formation, we are expecting stock to move towards again 665, 670. From the metal basket, we need to focus on JSW Steel as well as Hindalco to buy and hold for next few weeks. Tata Steel is also holding well above the mark of 1100, which is positive for it. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.